Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger or Dodge Charger. If you want to see how to remove or how to replace cylinder door lock actuator, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. There is a trick to do that. It's not complicated. You may need to replace it if it was damaged, if you replaced your key with another one. For instance, we got this one from the donor vehicle to go on the other one because we bought it at an auction and it didn't have keys. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. We have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out, guys. They can save you thousands of dollars. So let's go ahead and explain how to do that. The cylinder door lock, guys, you have it practically almost on most vehicles on the driver's side only. So right here it is, right? How do you get to it? Okay, check this thing out. Here when you lift it up, it's part of the handle. So what we need to do, if you come right here, okay, on the side of the on the side of the seal, under the seal, watch this one now. You remove the seal, you come like that, you get a Torx. I'm using a Torx of, let me see, 15 is this one, but I believe it might be actually a 17 there, 17 or 20, but I think it's a 17, but 15 will do it. And you start unscrewing, guys. Check this thing out. You start unscrewing. Okay, and what we're going to do, that door handle will start getting loose. So the thing is that, okay, you don't need to worry so much about dropping in. Let me just unscrew a little bit more. Okay, perfect. You can see the door handle came loose like that. The cylinder door lock, okay, came out. I'm going to go ahead, put the new one in. Okay, perfect, like this one. I want to inspect here. Okay, our locking doesn't work, by the way. You cannot lock the door from the handle, so I was just trying to figure out why that didn't work. Probably it's the proximity sensor. So now what we're going to do to put it together, we come in an angle. Okay, it goes only in one angle, like that one. And now we have to go ahead, okay, and go ahead, find the screw and just get it tight, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have good angle. It's going to tighten the handle on its own. Watch this one now. You just keep getting it tight. Okay, and let's see if it works. Perfect. Now, that's how you replace the cylinder door lock, guys, on a Dodge Challenger or Dodge Charger. Hopefully this video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.